Hey everyone, welcome back. In this today's tutorial, I'll show you how to organize your Pinterest boards into sections so your pins stay neat and easy to find. First, log in into Pinterest and then go to your profile. Now, open the board you want to organize, for example, recipes or travel ideas. Inside the board, tap the plus button and choose add sections, and then you can create as many sections as you like inside a board. From here you can add name, like let's say a sport you really like playing. Now once the section is added, you can Pinterest will suggest you some stuffs, and then you can just save on your stuffs board, and like this you can add motivating stuffs and your favorite players and whichever things about basketball that you like in here. And yeah, that is it. That's how you organize your Pinterest boards into sections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Pinterest tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching, and